Hi, welcome back. My name is Ty Lucas, and this is Ty Lucas Realty, brought to you by Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Universal. We're in the Southwest. Today we're at Richmond American Homes. These homes range anywhere from mid 350s to the high 380s. Also come from about 1,400 square feet to mid 1,400 square feet to about 1,900 square feet. The house in particular right here is going to be Hibiscus. This one we're going to go take a look at. Hibiscus is the 4-bedroom, but you're going to see a 3-bedroom. There's a 4th-bedroom option if you want it, but the 3-bedroom that they have here is going to show you the extended loft that they put in. All right, so come with us as we go see. Enjoy.